Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer photos from a OneDrive account to another one. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in OneDrive.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find my files, recent, here you're going to find photos. Right here, you're going to find share, recycle bin, and lastly, here you're going to find browse file by people. So right now, if you want to transfer photos from an account to another one, just go here to photos and then select the photo you want to share. So right now, as you can see, guys, I don't have a photo yet right here. So for example, right now I added this picture. So right now you can click on it to see it. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to delete it, download, add to album, and here you're going to find share. Go ahead and click on share. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you can share it with any account on OneDrive. Just add the name of the account and then you're good to go. So you need to have the account in your contacts. And then if you type it, you're going to find your contact. You can also add a group name or you can also add an email. So for example, I'm going to add an email. As you can see, guys, right here at gmail.com. And then when you're going to find the email, click on it, and then you're going to be able to send it. You can also add a message and then just click on send, and then you're good to go. You can also copy the link if you want and share it wherever you want. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.